Hi, this is my first attempt to create a Unity app which is based on marker-based augmented reality. I've basically built a colosseum of DC characters, my favorite ones. So yeah, to start with, it's going to be Joker. Yeah, let me adjust the marker properly. Yeah, there you go. And see the maniacal laughter of Joker. Next comes my favorite flying man. It's going to be Superman. Yeah, you can see that he's levitating on top of the Superman marker and his name being rotated over him. I've added a small button. Yeah, when you click it, it will expand the power description of Superman, durability, laser, and of course my favorite character in DC. Yeah. Followed by the King of Seven Seas, Aquaman. He's slightly inverted. Let me adjust. Yeah, you can see that he's repositioned properly. You can see that he's standing on top of the sea there. You can also see the fishes if you notice it carefully. Yeah, just playing with it. Here, he appears again. Next one is my favorite 3D model, not character, but my favorite 3D model. Yeah, the Flash. You can see that I've made him constantly vibrate through a small C# script. This is a 3D model again. This vibration is what gives him the power of moving through walls. You can see that it's a 3D model from all the angles. Yeah. Next comes a character who's very close to Superman, next to Batman. Yeah, he's Martian Manhunter. Again, he's not appearing properly. Let's see. Again, repositioning the marker appropriately. Yeah, boom. Scared me for a moment. You could see that he's constantly changing his shape, kind of blobby, which is something that I've made using a script. Occasionally he would also change his color, but most often he would try to change his shape. And he's a very good shapeshifter if you're a bit follower of DC Comics. Yeah, if you like my efforts, please do give me a thumbs up and please let me know your feedback. This is my first attempt of creating a marker based AR app. Thank you.
Hey, do you wanna get a coffee?